Hello everyone, in this video we're going to analyze the layer structure of network protocols using the web browsing example. So we're going to use the WIRESHARK here. So we're going to examine the header structures of all the PDUs at the data links, the IPs, the transports and the application layers. In particular, we're going to observe how addresses and port numbers are working together to enable the end-to-end applications. So we've already opened the WIRESHARK here, and we can see the protocols that have been examined are the Ethernet, the IP addressings, the DNS queries and responses, the TCP three-way handshake sequence and ACK numbering, and the HTTP get and response messages. So what are the procedures to go on with this is at first we have to start WIRESHARK, the first step. The second, we have to enter web browser and enter the URL of a website of our choice, but we should not press the enter, and then we should start the WIRESHARK packet capture. So there we are going to access the website then we are going to access the website by entering the browser web page. Now once the page is loaded, we have to stop the capture and we have to save this capture file, and then the displayed web page is being kept for later reference. So we'll see like we have entered, yes, we have kept something like this here. So now we're going to capture the packets. We're going to capture start. Okay, wait a second. So we'll go to steps. We will just see where to enter, the access the website, stop capture, save the capture. Okay, so we're going to save it first, and then now we're going to go here, press it, we'll go to Facebook actually. So now we can see we have got the request for it here, and yeah. So now we are going to stop that. Actually, this is the way we have to stop. So we have stopped. So we have got one the get and the response, the request and the response messages for the Facebook here. So here we can see, we'll make it more short so that we can see all the details rather. So there are a lot of various things have been given, so we'll just keep it small so that it's easier to understand. So the frame, so here we can see the frame is of 295, 490 bytes on wire and all those stuffs. So if we're going to click this one, so the reference ID and whatever is there, these are the messages that are there: encapsulation, arrival time, when the packet has been arrived, time shift for the packet, post time delta and all those stuffs. And we can see the next one is the Ethernet one. So we're going into the Ethernet. We can see the destination is this one, so 00049698 and all those been given here. So this is the what type it is of. It's IPv4 there, the internet version protocol, what's the source and its destination, the transmission control protocol, was the source port, was the destination port, was the sequence at the and the acknowledge and the length of the packet. So these are all the stuffs that have been mentioned. The source port here, the source port has been, whatever has been highlighted when we are clicking it, whatever is highlighted on the data stuff, that is actually it actually says that it is those stuffs. These are a whole lot of datas. But when we are like the destination port, when we are clicking, this is the destination port actually. The thing which have been highlighted just shows the destination ports which have been encrypted in these what are the hexadecimal thing, the segment length and all the stuffs. We know that we'll go further below. We'll see the acknowledgement numbers, the relative acknowledgement numbers, the relative sequence numbers, the header length, 20 bytes flags which are there, window size calculations. There's quite a lot of stuff's been shown regarding a singular packet. So all urgent pointers, sequence analysis, sequence acknowledge packages, and we'll see the HTTP here. So the we'll just go down below, and you'll see the host here, the host addresses, the user agent from which user has been gone, the accepts and all, accept language, accept coding, all the header structures, the details has been given here, and content type, application OCSP request, connection has been kept alive. So you can see the response in frame. See that OSP that's the response, means whatever response wasn't mentioned here, it's just highlighted this one. So we were currently seeing the request, so now all the response has been shown. So yes, this is how we actually use the WIRESHARK to know in details about the packets which have been received and all. So with this, I'm going to conclude my program, or the video rather. So thank you for watching.